લક્ષ સ્કૂલ ઓફ સાયન્સ બામણમાં ઓનલાઈન અભ્યાસ રસાયણ વિજ્ઞાન લેસન 2 દ્રાવણમાં તમારું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. સ્કૂલ દિવસે દિવસે પહેલાં ઝલક જોઈશું અને સૌથી પહેલાં જોરદાર રિઝલ્ટ વિશે તમે વિચારી શકો છો કે આપણા મજાનું રિઝલ્ટ અહીંયા તૈયાર છે. ઓકે, ત્યાર પછી આપણી સ્કૂલમાં ધાર્મિક કુમારને, મિત કુમારને, હિમાક્ષીને, ખુશીબેનને શું મળ્યા છે? સ્કોલરશિપ સર્ટિફિકેટો મળ્યા છે. અને એ જ રીતે આપણું આ ધોરણ 12નું પરિણામ તમે જોઈ શકો છો. તો એવી જ તમારા પાસે પણ અપેક્ષા સાથે આપણે
જય હિન્દ વાલી મિત્રો, પ્રિય વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને માનનીય પેરેન્ટ્સ, તમે જાણો જ છો આ મહામારી દરમિયાન બધાની જ નાણાકીય સ્થિતિ સારી નથી. છતાં લક્ષ સ્કૂલ ઓફ સાયન્સે ઘણી ધીરજ ધરી ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ ચાલુ રાખ્યું છે. આમ લક્ષ સ્કૂલ પોતાની ફરજ ચૂકી નથી, તો આપણે આપણી ફરજ ચૂકવીશી જ ને. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, વાલીગણ, જે વિદ્યાર્થીની ગયા વર્ષની ફી બાકી છે એ ભરી દેવા અમારી નમ્ર વિનંતી છે.
પ્રિય વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો અને માનનીય પેરેન્ટ્સ, આપણે ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ ચાલુ જ નથી રાખ્યું, પણ અન્ય કરતાં આપણે ઘણું સારું કાર્ય પણ કર્યું છે. હવે ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ લગભગ 5 મહિના થવા આવ્યા, તો ચાલુ સત્રની ત્રિમાસિક કે 6 માસિક ફી તો ભરાવી જ જોઈએ. હજુ આપણે ઘણું કાર્ય આગળ કરવાનું છે. માટે શિક્ષકો અને સંસ્થાનો જુસ્સો જળવાયેલો રહે. જો ફી ભરાશે તો એ પર આધારિત શિક્ષક પરિવારના ઘર પણ ચાલશે. આ મહામારી દરમિયાન આપણે એકબીજાનો સહકાર બનીએ.
જય હિન્દ વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો અને વાલી મિત્રો, આપ સર્વે આ ફી નિયમિત ભરી ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ માટે શાળાના શિક્ષકો અને મેનેજમેન્ટનો ઉત્સાહ વધારશો. સંસ્થાને નિયમિત આર્થિક સહકાર આપી આપના બાળકની શૈક્ષણિક કારકિર્દીને વધારે વેગવંતી અને સશક્ત બનાવશો. સો ઇટ્સ અવર હમ્બલ રિક્વેસ્ટ ટુ ઓલ ઓફ યુ to pay the fees as soon as possible. Thank you so much.
Welcome back, dear students. Here our topic will be continue, and we were discussing about preparation of aldehyde. So now today we are going to prepare aldehyde in different pattern. Okay. So next part is preparation of aryl aldehyde. Preparation of aryl aldehyde. So, dear students, preparation of aryl aldehyde that we are going to study, and in this aryl aldehyde, first we are going to study to prepare from hydrocarbons. Now, from hydrocarbons, when we are preparing this aryl aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde, or else it's a conversion. So difficulty here is, for example, suppose we have taken toluene, because we need here CHO, and that's why we have taken toluene. So when toluene is oxidized, to remove hydrogen, to add oxygen, then we will have CHO. This is the simple thinking about this, કે ભાઈ બેન્ઝીન છે, ટોલ્યુઇન્સ છે, એમાંથી હાઇડ્રોજન દૂર કરીએ અને ઓક્સિજન અંદર એન્ટર કરીએ, that is the oxidation process. But when this oxidation is done by strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4, like CrO3, etc. So these strong oxidizing agent straightway give carboxylic acid. Straightway they give carboxylic acid, and that's why we are not able to obtain the real aldehyde, and that is the difficulty. So here we have to reduce such a oxidation in form of only aldehyde, then we need some particular reagent, and this particular reagent only can do the oxidation, and that's why the thing is taken is known as Attard reaction. So first we are going to study about the Attard reaction. So what is Attard reaction? So in Attard reaction we have to use chromyl carbon, chromyl chloride. We have to use chromyl chloride, and the chromyl chloride is nothing but its formula is CRO. Its formula is CrO2Cl2. Here +6, -4, -2, total 0. So this is nothing but the chromyl chloride. In that case, chromium is having +6 oxidation state, and that will be neutralized by O2 and Cl2. So this is known as chromyl chloride. So chromyl chloride is going to react with toluene. So this is the toluene, and toluene is going to react with the chromyl chloride, that is CrO2Cl2 in presence of CH2. At that time, first intermediate compounds, that is these are known as chromium compounds, are obtained. Now this is interesting. Chromium compounds are obtained intermediate. So dear students, I am taking this 2 times. I am taking this thing, chromyl chloride can be taken 2 times, and that's why when this is reacting, so carbon remain as it is, but and one hydrogen also remaining as it is, but 2 times H will come inside. 2 times H will come inside, and how this 2 times H will come inside? So hydrogen remaining, that will come, and that will come with Cl. So here HCl2, and this become CrO2 only, but the return process is like this in book. It is written only CrO2, but the writing process is taken in this form. So in bracket, this is bracket, in bracket OCRO HCl2 is observed, and this is nothing but a toluene. Okay, this is known as chromium compound. This is the intermediate product, chromium compound. Now this chromium compound is hydrolysis by acid. Always see in this pattern, final step is reduced by only the H3O+, and at that time we are reaching to benzaldehyde. At that time we are reaching to benzaldehyde. So this is first reaction, and this reaction is known as Attard reaction. In Attard reaction, dear students, we have to react toluene in presence of CH2 with chromyl chloride, and this chromyl chloride should be taken 2 times. That will enter in place of H2. All thing is remain as it is. This chromium compound intermediate, that will be hydrolysis by acid, or that is reacted with the aqueous acid, and we will have aldehyde. So this is our process to obtain aldehyde, and this is the first process, and this is also known as Attard reaction. So now another thing we are going to talk about is also very interesting. And that is the reaction of such aldehyde or such toluene is with chromyl chloride, chromium oxide and that all. So that is also very interesting thing. I told you previously that when toluene is going to react with chromium oxide, which is a strong oxidizing agent, and that will give us a benzoic acid. Now, these chromium oxides we are going to react, but the effectiveness of the chromium oxide is reduced by anhydride. Now you know what is the formula of anhydride. We used to write like this for anhydride: C double bond O, C double bond O, one is oxygen and remaining thing is anything. This is known as acid anhydride. Okay. Now this acid anhydride also can be written in different form. So can be written in this form also. Okay. This CO and whatever that become twice and one is oxygen. So this is also known as a anhydride. So this is nothing but the acid anhydride. Now this can be converted into acidic anhydride. So how this can be converted into acidic anhydride? Here, if we take CH3, then this is known as acidic anhydride. So common dear students, this is nothing 2 carbon. 2 carbon means this is acidic and this is acidic anhydride. So now we are going to take the another reaction. That reaction is nothing but the CrO3 and acetic anhydride. Acetic, this is C. Acetic anhydride. Okay. So same reactions we have to perform. So first thing we are taking is toluene is going to react with the CrO3, which is present into the acidic anhydride. So acidic anhydride is nothing but the cargo times an oxygen, and this is known as acidic anhydride. So dear students, now this is going to react and first intermediate product is obtained. Now here also the intermediate product is very interesting. Again 2 hydrogens are removed. So that means becomes CH. And here what will happen? The 2 times this thing will go. So 2 times are already COO is there. One more oxygen will enter inside, which is from here. Okay, so this is nothing but the first we have to take O that we have written in previous form, and then COCH3 will go. So that's why this is also taken 2 times, and first intermediate product is obtained. Okay, and this intermediate here we have to note that here on the reaction we have to take 273 to 283 Kelvin temperature. So this is the must we have to remember, to 283 Kelvin temperature that is taken. Okay, now this is again hydrolysis by aqueous acid, and this aqueous acid hydrolysis with some amount of heat, it will give us benzaldehyde. So here the chromic oxide or chromium oxide, which is a very strong oxidizing agent which can give directly benzoic acid, but we have using this acidic anhydride reduces its effect, and we got the benzaldehyde. So these reactions also you have to remember. Okay, so hope that you can do this reaction very easily. Okay, so now next third reactions we are going to perform is also very interesting. So third reaction is similar reaction in which we are going to use only hydrocarbon, that is nothing but the toluene, but here the reaction is very interesting that we have to use simple chlorination. and simple chlorination of toluene in presence of UV ray in Cl2. So in presence of UV rays and Cl2, if we will reduce this, then the hydrogen is removed, and in this hydrogen 2Cl2 is entered, and the formula will be now CHCl2. So this is nothing but the benzyl chloride actually. This is nothing but the benzyl chloride. So this toluene is first converted into benzyl chloride. See, this is also interesting. See, I will give you nomenclature, how the nomenclature can be done. CH2Cl. One oxygen is entered, then this is known as, one chlorine is entered, benzyl chloride. Two chlorines are entered, then it is known as benzyl chloride. And now, three chlorines are entered, then it is known as benzol chloride. So, benzyl, benzal and benzo. So that you have to remember, a number of chlorine can give different number. So here we are getting benzyl chloride. Now this benzyl chloride is again hydrolysis by water at 100 degrees centigrade. So that is again, so last reaction is very simple. In all case we have used H3O plus, but here temperature 100 degree, that means 373 Kelvin, and the obtained product is nothing but the CHO with aqueous acid. So this is our idea about the next reaction. In these reactions we are getting the side chain chlorination. This is also known as side chain chlorination, and this side chain chlorination is providing us first benzyl chloride, and then benzyl chloride, its hydrolysis by the acid, and then we are getting our important thing. Okay, so that is benzaldehyde. So now this is over. Now next one is the fourth reaction, and fourth reaction is also from benzaldehyde. That means the hydrocarbon we are going to do. And now this reaction, its heading is slightly different, and sweet heading, it's important. Okay, so this is, all are the important. First one also important, but this is more important, and this is known as Gutermann-Koch reaction. So Gutermann-Koch reaction. So that we are going to talk about now, about the Gutermann-Koch reaction. Okay, now Gutermann-Koch reaction is also giving you aldehyde by using toluene. So I am taking here toluene, and toluene in this case is going to reduce by carbon, okay, that is the carbon monoxide, and that I have taken carbon monoxide in presence of HCl, carbon monoxide in presence of HCl using anhydrous aluminum chloride or copper oxide. So anhydrous aluminum chloride या तो પછી copper chloride, and that is CuCl. An interesting talk is that there is no intermediate, there is nothing. This will give you directly benzaldehyde. So this reaction is known as Gutermann reaction. Now Gutermann-Koch reactions, why I have written? It is important because now, dear students, you can know toluene. Toluene can be produced by chlorination, by alkylations of benzene. Okay, chlorinations, and then chlorine can be converted into the CaC. So lots of things can be done here. Okay, so first you have to obtain this, and next step is by Gutermann-Koch reaction you will easily get the benzaldehyde. So that is our idea about the reaction. And by this 4 reaction, so yes, students, in Gutterman reaction, benzene or its derivative like okay, here benzene is taken, so it is my mistake. In Gutterman-Koch reaction, benzene can be directly converted into the benzaldehyde. So pardon me, huh? અહીંયા તમારે બેન્ઝીન લેવાનું છે, ટોલ્યુએન નથી. This is benzene. So that's why chlorobenzene can be converted into benzene. Phenol can be converted into benzene. And these steps will be done. So phenol to એવો ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછાય કે ભાઈ phenol to benzaldehyde. So phenol to benzaldehyde, very simple. Take phenol. So this is the phenol. Okay. Now this phenol, ખાલી ઝિંક 10 સાથે રિએક્શન આપો એટલે ઝિંક 10 રિએક્શન આપો એટલે ZnO માઈનસ થઈ જાય, and we will get benzene, and then benzene is going to give benzaldehyde. So this is my mistake. Actually just all hydrocarbons are taken, so in flow I have taken also. So this is, you have to remember Gutterman-Koch reaction. Okay. So benzene or benzene derivative, that is benzaldehyde, we can take, okay, and the chloride also we can take, and that will give us the reaction. And by this we have here completed entire thing about the aldehyde. So dear students, after getting this, we are going to talk about the preparation of ketones and aryl ketone both. So dear students, aryl ketone or ketone, in the different way we can write this, okay, but this is not to worry topic, because one thing already you know, and this ketone or aryl ketone can be made from our Grignard reagent as well as the acylation. So first I would like to give you your knowledge only, what you know. So acylation, since 11th standard we are doing acylation. See, these 5 basic reactions you have written very nicely: nitration, chlorination, bromination, sulfonation, acylation, and alkylation. Out of this today, first I would like to give you the acylation. So in acylation, that is also FC acylation. FC means Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in Friedel-Crafts acylation, we are using CH3COCl, that is the acetyl chloride, as a reagent. Okay, in presence of anhydride AlCl3, anhydrous AnCl3, આના પ્રેઝન્સમાં આપણે આ રિએક્શન કરીએ છીએ. And anything is taken. For example, we have taken benzene. હવે બેન્ઝીનનું acylation કરી. The acylation of benzene in presence of CH3COCl in catalysis anhydrous AlCl3. Okay, and nearby 30 to 40 degree centigrade temperature is there, and that will give you up COCH3. I used to write hydrogen HCl સાથે નીકળી જાય. So this is nothing but the acetophenone that we have obtained here, acetophenone. So this is our idea, but in book the idea is slightly different, and here same reaction is taken, not to worry any, but this benzene is going to react with R or AR. અહીંયા R લઈ લીધો છે અથવા AR લઈ લીધો છે. C double bond OCl, that is the aryl chloride or alkyl chloride. Okay, so this is nothing but the acetyl chloride, Here R or AR may be anything. And again AlCl3 anhydrous is used as a catalyst. And then we will remove the hydrogen and Cl. HCl is removed here. HCl is removed here also. And what will happen now? So happening is nothing but the benzene ring. On benzene ring you can put C double bond O and other side either R or AR. So like this you can make the acetophenol. Okay, so that's this reactions is also given in your book, that is acetyl acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and due to that reason we will get the acetophenol or whatever that it is given. Okay, so I hope that you understand these reactions. Okay, so that will be better idea to understand acylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. That will make you the ketone. After getting ketone, now another reaction is there. That is nothing but both the reactions are involving the Grignard reagent. So second number we are going to use Grignard reagent. Okay, so dear students, first Grignard reagent, that is RMgX. Everyone know this is the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is reacting with the CdCl2, and that means this will be taken 2 times, Cd here 2 times, so that will give you CdR2. R કેટલી વાર આવી જશે? 2 વાર આવી જશે. And remaining Cl will be attached with the Mg. Okay, and that will nothing but the MgHCl. અહીંયા શું આપણને મળી જશે? અહીંયા Ma લખાયું છે Mg plus 2MgHCl. That will be the contribution. Okay, so this is our first step. Okay, now here whatever obtained CdR2, this CdR2 is going to react with the acetyl chloride. Now acetyl chloride or acid chloride. So this is the acid chloride. Okay, and it is going to react with the CdR2. Now what will happen? This chlorine is replaced, and now we will take again these 2 times. So these 2 times will give CdCl2 state में CdCl2 निकली जैसे. Okay, આ Cl અને આ Cd. Now in place of this we will get this. So 2R, અહીંયા આપણે એકને R dash લઈ લઈશું, એટલે 2R dash C double bond O and R will be enter here, and this is nothing but the ketone. So like this, ketone can be obtained from Grignard reagent by these 2 steps. Okay, so first step is nothing but the RMgX is going to react with the cadmium chloride to give the CdR2, and this CdR2 is going to react with the acetyl chloride, and then we are getting here our desirable product. Okay, so this is our first thing. Okay, by from acid chloride, by using Grignard reagent we can make the, so by from acid chloride by using Grignard reagent. Now Grignard reagent has second step also, and that by using nitrile, by using, so second step, that in Grignard reagent we are going to talk about nitriles. So from nitriles also we can make ketones. And now this reactions is very interesting reaction. Here also we can provide R cyanide or nitrile. Okay, so this is nothing but the C triple bond N, and here first MgBr, or what is the Grignard reagent? We know that Grignard reagent is RMgX. Now this R may be C6H5, this R may be CH3, anything you can take. Okay, in presence of ether. In presence of ether. So acid nitrile. Okay, nitrile when react with the Grignard reagent in presence of ether, the bond is broken out. RC તેમ જ રહેશે. આ કાર્બનના 4 બોન્ડ છે એ 4 માંથી એક બોન્ડ આ રીતે બ્રેકઅપ થઈ જશે. And everyone know that આમાં જે R dash છે એ સિંગલ બોન્ડ પર ચાલી જશે. And here the nitrogen, હવે નાઇટ્રોજનને 3 બોન્ડ જોઈએ તો અહીંયા 2 જ બોન્ડ છે. બીજો બોન્ડ એ કોના સાથે બનાવશે? NGX સાથે. So this is our first intermediate product. Now this intermediate product is again hydrolysis by aqueous acid. And due to that hydrolysis by aqueous acid, now this MgX and MgX is removed and oxygen will be entered. So RC double bond O R dash. This will be the product. This is nothing but a ketone. So like this we can make ketone. In book instead of R it is written CH3CH2. In book instead of R dash it is written C6H5. So our product will be CH3 CH2 C double bond O. Instead of this C6H5 I will write. So this will be the product. Now this is benzene and ketone is there. So for ketone we used to speak about phenol. Okay, we used to speak about phenol. So what should be name of this? 1, 2, 3 carbon. 3 carbon means propiophenol. This will be propiophenol. On in other word, if you want to talk about, then 1 phenyl propanol. This will be the name of this. So dear students, I hope that you understand everything about this. Okay, we will meet next time with further good work.